What if I told you that just 10 to 15 minutes of movement each morning could transform not only your body but also your mind and energy? That's the power of Surya Namaskar. And today I'll walk you through the complete steps, share some timeless benefits, and reveal why this ancient sequence is considered the king of yogic practices. Hi, I'm Roshni, a certified yoga coach and a wellness facilitator. I help people build consistent holistic practices that bring balance and healing into their lives. And if you are new here, do subscribe and click the bell icon because I share weekly content to help you heal naturally. Today in this video, you will learn how to perform Surya Namaskar step by step with the correct posture, how to synchronize your breath with each movement, surprising facts like how just 12 minutes of practice can burn 168 calories, and why it's not just a physical workout but also a mental and emotional reset. I'll also demonstrate modifications for beginners and tips to build it into your daily habit. Surya Namaskar or Sun Salutation is a sequence of 12 yoga poses that work on every part of your body. It's like a moving prayer, a dynamic expression of gratitude, strength, and surrender. This is where it gets exciting. One set of Surya Namaskar consists of 2 rounds, one on the right side, other on the left, and it takes just 1 minute and can burn up to 14 calories. So 12 sets of Surya Namaskar takes 12 minutes and it burns up to 168 calories. That's more than most exercises can offer in the same time. But beyond fitness, it improves your focus, flexibility, digestion, mood, and overall vitality. And yes, it's beginner friendly. Now let's get started with the steps. I'll be demonstrating each posture slowly and clearly. Feel free to follow along or watch first and then try. And kindly do this on a yoga mat. Let us now start with Surya Namaskar. For that, let us come to the top of the mat and let us stand in Tadasana by keeping our both the feet together. Let us join our hands at our heart center. Before we start, let us express gratitude to the Sun God. Take a deep breath in. Om Suryaya Namaha. Next, you will breathe in, raise up, and you will arch back to Hastuttanasana. You will exhale and bend forward, keeping your hands stretched, keeping your palms beside your feet, and come to Padhastasana. You will take your right leg far back and come to Ashwasanchalasana, which is the low lunge. Then you will tuck your toes, lift your hips up, take the other leg back and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. From here, let us glide forward to plank posture, Falak Asana. And then you will drop your knees, chest and chin to Ashtanga Asana. Inhale, lift up to Bhujanga Asana. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. You will take your right leg forward, place it in between your palms and come to Ashwasanchalasana. Look forward. Tuck the back toes, push your body forward, come to Padhastasana. Inhale, rise up and arch back to Hastuttanasana and Namaste. Now let us practice on the left side. I'll demonstrate each posture slowly with modification, making it beginner friendly. Just pay keen attention to the placement of the hands and of the feet. Let us come to the top of the mat. Stand in Tadasana. Join your hands at your heart center. Inhale and rise up, arch back as much as you can to Hastuttanasana. Exhale and bend forward, keeping your spine straight, coming to Padhastasana, placing your palms beside your feet. If you cannot reach your palms to the mat, you can just fold your knees, rest your chest onto your thighs and place your palms beside your feet. From here, let us take our left leg far back and come to Ashwasanchalasana. Push your hips down and forward and look forward. Then tuck your toes, lift your hips up, take the other leg back and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is the downward facing dog. From here, glide forward to Falakasana, which is the plank pose. If you cannot stay here for long, you can just drop your knees and come to modified plank. From plank posture, Falakasana, drop your knees, chest and chin to Ashtanga. If you cannot drop your chest and chin this way, if you don't have that required arm strength, you can drop your entire body onto the mat and come to Ashtanga Asana. Then lift your chest up and come to Bhujangasana, Cobra pose. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up and come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Then take your left leg forward and come to Ashwasanchalasana. If you cannot take your feet completely forward, if your leg is reaching only till here, with the help of the same hand, hold at the back of the ankles and place it forward as much as you can. Drop the back knee, relax the foot and look forward and come in Ashwasanchalasana. From here, tuck the back toes, push your body forward, come to Padhastasana. Inhale, rise up to Hastuttanasana and Namaste. This completes one set with 2 rounds on the right side and on the left side. Let us do one more set. Let us first start with the right side. Pay keen attention on the placement of the hands and on the foot. Let us again come to the top of the mat. Join our hands at our heart center. Inhale, rise up to Hastuttanasana. Exhale, bend forward to Padhastasana. Fold your knees if you cannot reach your palms to the mat. Inhale, take your right leg far back. Come to Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale, tuck your toes, lift your hips up, go to Adho Mukha. Glide forward to plank. Drop your knees, chest and chin to Ashtanga. Inhale, rise up to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes, lift your hips up, come to Adho Mukha. Take your right leg forward, come to Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale to Padhastasana. Inhale, rise up to Hastuttanasana and Namaste. On to the left side now. Inhale, rise up to Hastuttanasana. Exhale, bend forward to Padhastasana. Inhale, take your left leg far back to Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana, which is the downward facing dog. Glide forward to plank Falakasana. Drop your knees, chest and chin to Ashtanga. Inhale, lift up to Bhujangasana. Tuck your toes, exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Take your left leg forward, place your feet in between your palms. Come to Ashwasanchalasana. Tuck the back toes, push your body forward, come to Padhastasana, standing forward bend. Inhale, rise up to Hastuttanasana and Namaste. Let us do one more set with the mention of only breathwork and asana names. Let us come to the top of the mat again. Join our hands at your heart center. Inhale, Hastuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back, Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, plank, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtangasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, right leg forward, Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastuttanasana and Namaste. On the left side, inhale, Hastuttanasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back, Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtangasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, left leg forward, Ashwasanchalasana. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, Hastuttanasana and Namaste. Every movement in Surya Namaskar is paired with either an inhale or exhale. This breath movement coordination isn't just for flow, it creates internal harmony and calms your nervous system. If you would like to explore breathwork more deeply, I've created a full video where I demonstrate Nadi Shodhana, which is alternate nostril breathing, and pursed lip breathing, both excellent for calming the mind and reducing stress. Link is in the description below. If you like, you can also chant the 12 Surya Namaskar mantras, each salutation representing a name of the sun. The mantras are quoted in the description below. This brings a meditative and devotional quality to your practice. You can even try saying a simple thank you with each posture. It's a moving prayer and not just a sequence. If you are a beginner, start with 3 sets, which is 6 rounds, and gradually work up to 6, 9 and 12 sets. You can even do 108 sets on some special days. But remember, even 1 set a day is better than none. It's not about how much you do, but how mindfully you do it. Let this be more than a workout. Let this be your daily reset button, a space where you come back to yourself. Every stretch, every breath is a moment of self-care. If you found this video helpful, I invite you to join my online yoga sessions where we dive deeper into such practices with personal guidance, or collaborate with me for corporate or wellness group sessions. I would love to support your team's health and energy. We can connect for a short clarity call. The link is in the description below. Do give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Your thoughtful comments mean the world to me. I personally read each one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more wellness focused content every week. Until next time, take a deep breath, bow to the sun, and keep shining. Om Namah Shivaya.